Hello everyone! こんにちは! My name is Risa Light. And as you can tell, I'm a big Naruto fan. Naruto is one of my top favorite and it always makes me cry every time I watch it. If you're also a Naruto fan, have you ever wondered what's the ramen that Naruto loves so much would taste like? Today, I would love to recreate that Naruto ramen! So first, let's research what kind of ramen that Naruto eats at Ichiraku. だってばよ。So what was the ramen that Naruto eats at Ichiraku? There are many types of soup base for ramen such as tonkotsu, shoyu, shio, and miso. But according to my research, I found out that Naruto's favorite ramen is Miso chashu omori ramen. So today I would love to recreate that Naruto ramen by using this Sapporo miso ramen. Now let's start cooking. This is the ramen that I'm using today. It's Sapporo miso ramen from Igarashi ramen. Here's the topping. This Naruto ramen is gonna be miso chashu omori ramen. So of course we have to have chashu. So chashu, green onions, negi, half-boiled egg, yude tamago, Naruto, and menma. And yes, I got everything from Japanese supermarket. Boil 2 cups of water. Put noodle and cook about 4.5 minutes. Add the soup packet. Stir well. Transfer to a bowl. Add to your favorite toppings. And done! Yes, so it's done! My Naruto ramen is here! It looks exactly the same as the one that I saw in the anime! Itadakimasu! Oh. 美味しい. Of course, I have tried ramen so many times, but I don't usually get miso ramen. So I was really surprised that this miso ramen soup broth is rich, but somehow it's also refreshing at the same time. And the soup goes really well with ramen noodle and chashu. No wonder why Naruto gets extra chashu for his miso ramen. Now I know. And since it's the instant ramen, it was so easy to make. You just have to boil water, add the noodle, and add the soup, and that's it. And you can easily grab all the toppings from the supermarkets. So yes, today I recreated Naruto's ramen, miso chashu omori ramen by using this Hokkaido Sapporo miso ramen. But how was it? I'm so happy that I got to finally taste the ramen that Naruto always eats at Ichiraku. Now I feel like I'm at Ichiraku eating Naruto's favorite ramen. As for the Sapporo miso ramen that I used today, I will leave the link in the description box below, so please check it out. Please try to recreate Naruto's miso ramen at your own home. It's super delicious! だってばよ! That secret topping is, ta-da! It's garlic! You can add as much garlic as you want. 美味しそう! Mix well and Itadakimasu! Your miso ramen will be enhanced with the fragrant garlic. Please try this to level up your miso ramen. Enjoy!